Big Brother 27 has reached a breaking point as week 10 begins with a new head of household, and this ho finds themselves in one of the most critical positions of the entire season. With a double eviction looming, alliances are cracking, trust is evaporating, and players are scrambling to secure their long-term survival. This season has been a rollercoaster from the very first week, but nothing compares to the level of intensity viewers are seeing now as the remaining house guests battle not just for power, but for positioning in a house where betrayal has become the currency of the game. The latest ho faces a choice that could either cement their path to the endgame or lead to their downfall in dramatic fashion. The Week 10 HOH win came after an endurance competition that tested stamina, mental toughness, and sheer willpower. This was not just another victory to brag about in the diary room. The stakes were far higher. The winner of this whole competition immediately became the most targeted player in the house because with a double eviction announced by Julie Chen Moonves, everyone knows that alliances can collapse in utter of hours. A single decision in nominations can swing the trajectory of the season. Fans who have followed Big Brother for years understand that double eviction nights are the most dangerous and the most thrilling, and the new ho is now in the unenviable position of having to expose where our true loyalties lie in front of the entire house. So far, Big Brother 27 has been defined by shifting alliances and secret side deals. The dominant group that seemed untouchable early in the game is no longer unified. There are fractures everywhere, with some house guests actively working to undermine the people they once swore to protect. The ho this week knows that keeping everyone happy is impossible. They must choose: do they stay loyal to the alliance they've been aligned with since the early weeks, or do flip and set themselves up for a brand new endgame scenario? It's a gamble that could either make them the most powerful strategist of the season or paint them as the next eviction target when they lose power. The double eviction twist complicates everything. On double eviction nights, house guests have little time to process or plan. A typical week gives players days to negotiate, campaign, and rebuild trust, but a double eviction forces everyone to make snap decisions. The first eviction of the night will already set the tone, but immediately afterward, another ho competition and veto will be played, leaving only minutes for the house to determine the second eviction. The Week 10 ho will have the initial power, but the second ho of the night could easily turn against them. This looming threat means every move they make this week has to be calculated with long-term foresight, and every conversation could make or break their game. The dynamics inside the house are tense. Several house guests are feeling the pressure more than ever. The social butterflies who floated under the radar early in the season are suddenly emerging as threats because they have jury votes lined up. Strategic masterminds who manipulated week 3 or week 6 are being called out for their lies and manipulation. Competition beasts who kept themselves safe by winning crucial vetoes are now being targeted because the house sees them as unbeatable in the final stretch. The Week 10 HOH is in the center of all this chaos, with every player whispering in their ear, trying to sway nominations. Fans have seen this pattern before in past seasons. Ho power in the late game is less about making big moves for shock value and more about setting up the right jury narrative. Big Brother winners often secure their victory by having a resume filled with bold choices while also maintaining respect from the jury. This ho must think not only about who to target but also about how those decisions will be perceived by evicted house guests sitting on the jury. Choosing the wrong target could mean bitter jurors who refuse to vote for them in the finale, while choosing the right target could create the narrative that they are the architect of the season's defining moves. The double eviction adds another layer of danger because the HOH's allies are also on the chopping block. If the ho takes a shot at one side, their closest allies could be evicted in the second half of the night when they don't hold power. This is why many HOHs during double eviction weeks play conservatively, putting up house guests that are easy targets with little social capital. However, fans often criticize this strategy because it feels like a wasted opportunity to make a big move. Will this Week 10 ho play it safe and nominate the obvious floaters, or will they shock the house by targeting one of the biggest threats left in the game? Spoilers suggest that conversations are already heated in the house. House guests are running scenarios over and over, trying to figure out who benefits most from this HOH's reign. Some are pushing for the elimination of physical competitors who dominate challenges, while others argue that social players who can charm the jury are far more dangerous. Behind closed doors, promises are being made that will likely be broken within hours. The who is at the center of a web of lies, and no matter who they trust, there is always the risk that the information will leak. Viewers at home know that in Big Brother, secrets rarely stay secret. As the house braces for double eviction night, fans are buzzing about what this means for the overall trajectory of the season. Will this be the week when the underdogs finally rise and take out a member of the dominant alliance? Or will the power players maintain control and set themselves up for a smooth ride to the finale? Double eviction nights often reshape the game entirely, sending shockwaves through the house and leaving even the most confident players scrambling. The Week 10 HOH's decision is the spark that could ignite complete chaos. Social media reactions are pouring in as fans speculate about who the who might target. Some believe the safest move is to go after the strongest physical competitors, ensuring they don't dominate future who in veto competition. Others believe the smarter strategy is to weaken social players who have strong jury bonds, because ultimately Big Brother is a jury vote game. The debate is fierce, and no matter what the who does, half the fan base will consider it a mistake. That's the beauty of Big Brother. Every decision is polarizing, and every move defines your legacy in the game. The season has already delivered blindsides, betrayals, and shocking exits. Players who were once untouchable have been sent packing, and those who were written off as background characters have emerged as threats. The Week 10 HOH is about to add their own chapter to the story of Big Brother 27. Whether it's remembered as a masterstroke of strategy or the fatal mistake that ended their game will be determined by the events of the double eviction. One thing is certain, fans are in for one of the most thrilling weeks of the season. Big Brother thrives on unpredictability, and Week 10 is the perfect example of how fast the game can change. In a house where trust is rare, paranoia is rampant, and every word is twisted, the who has an impossibility. Ask. They must choose a side, but choosing means alienating others. They must plan for the long term, but the short term could destroy them in an instant. They must balance their loyalty with their desire to win, knowing that only one house guest will walk away with the grand prize. This is the tightrope every late game who must walk, and this week, all eyes are on them. As the double eviction approaches, fans can only speculate about the fireworks to come. The Week 10 HOH is at the heart of it all, holding the fate of the house in their hands. Their choices will shape the rest of the season and decide who makes it to finale night. Big Brother 27 is proving once again why it remains one of the most compelling reality competitions on television, because in the end, it's not just about winning competitions, it's about surviving betrayal, adapting to chaos, and outplaying everyone else. And in Week 10, with a double eviction on the horizon, survival has never been more uncertain. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.